Costa Mesa homeowners, are you looking to downsize without sacrificing your lifestyle? Yes, you can downsize with class, lower costs, and a better life. So what's going on here? You could definitely look into buying a single story townhome or a condo. And I happen to know all of the communities around town that offer these. Secondly, you could look into getting a single story house. The single story homes, they're not building new ones of these, but there are plenty that have been totally remodeled or gutted and offer the modern conveniences that you might be interested in. Another great thing is you could look into utilizing Prop 19 to keep your lower tax base, even moving up in value. I've got a great calculator I can share with you for that. Also, you might want to think about adding an ADU. That way you don't necessarily need to move, but you can add that rental income to make your lifestyle a little bit more fluid. If you'd like to get the tax guide calculator, or you want an analysis on what adding an ADU would look like for you, or you want to see some options around town for single story living, let me know and let's connect over those.